Hi guys! What if Discord application is not starting up on your Windows PC? In this video I've got a whole bunch of solutions for this problem. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go! Tip number 1. Terminate the background processes. What I mean, even though Discord doesn't open your user window, it still can be running in background, which prevents it from launching. So you can open the system tray on your taskbar, right-click on the Discord icon and quick Discord, or right-click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, click on the search bar in Task Manager, type in Discord. It's found, right-click on Discord and End Task and try to relaunch the application. Tip number 2, just try to run Discord as administrator. To do this, find the Discord shortcut. If you don't have shortcut on your desktop, click on the Start menu at the taskbar, start searching for Discord and run as administrator. Tip number 3, open your antivirus application. In my case, this is Avast Antivirus. And next, find the firewall feature. Make sure that your Discord application is not blocked by firewall, and if yes, unblock the application. If you don't have third-party antivirus, it means your firewall is managed by Windows Defender. To find Windows Defender, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Now open Windows Security and open the firewall section. Make sure that application is not blocked by Windows Firewall or allow an application through firewall. Tip number 4, clear Discord cache. To do this, first apply the tip 1, so terminate the background processes of Discord from your system tray or from Task Manager. Next, hit Windows R key combination and in this field type in %appdata%. Now hit OK. Then open the Discord folder and remove these 3 folders: cache, code cache, and GPU cache. To select multiple folders, hold down the Ctrl key and click on the folders one by one. Now hit delete and try to launch application once again. And tip number 5, check and fix the system files integrity. To do this, click on the Windows logo and start typing cmd. Now run command prompt as administrator. Click yes. In this command line, type in the following command: sfc/scan now. Hit enter and wait for the process to finish. After the process finished, try to launch Discord once again. And if the problem persists, as a last resort, try to reinstall the application. Hit the Windows logo, search for Discord. Click on uninstall over here. It takes you to the settings menu. In your settings, find Discord once again. Click on 3 dots, uninstall, and then go to official website, download the installer and install it once again. Make sure you know your login credentials to log in from scratch. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.